Good morning. Well, we're just about to start our journey. It's a little after 4 a.m. in the morning. Oops. And the light's gone out. So I will speak to you shortly. Okay, so I don't know how well you can hear me, but we've been going about an hour and a half now. We're just the other side of Patong, and the weather is absolutely horrendous. You can see outside. I don't know how clear you can see, but it's not good weather at the minute. Okay, so we've been going now 5 hours and we're just on the edge of Chupan. We've stopped to refuel the car. We're going to have something to eat and drink, and we did stop earlier, but the weather has been horrendous. Coming out of Phuket, we've had a really bad storm that we passed through in Stormy. It was horrendous, to be honest. It's just behind us. We've driven through this, so it's a little way behind. It's just starting to rain now, but we've stopped at this petrol station. Nat's just popped into Amazon to order a coffee. We've filled up the car already. We're going to get something to eat, and then we're going to decide where we're going to stop for the day, basically, and then we'll have a nosy around that area wherever it is. Facilities here in Thailand when you're on the road are actually quite good. Sorika, there's lots of places where you can stop and have food and drink and coffees and stuff like that, so it's really good facilities. And the service stations here, they've got not only your normal sort of Amazon place, cafes and that, but they've also got the little stands that sell the food as well, so there's always something to eat. Okay, well, after what seems like hours of rain, and it has been hours, trust me, we've been going since 4 o'clock this morning, as you know. We've had a couple of stops, and we decided we're going to Hua Hin, because if you look in front of us, we have some nice blue sky, which is the first blue sky we've seen in 5 hours. It's just been raining non-stop all the way from Phang Nga, basically. When we got into Phang Nga, it started raining. It has stopped a couple of times briefly, but it's just been raining all the way up. And at one point I thought we were going to go into Bangkok because I didn't think the weather would be any good at Hua Hin, but it looks like it's going to be okay. So very soon, in the next sort of hour, we will be taking a look around Hua Hin. Okay, so we've just arrived in Hua Hin, and the first job is to get something to eat because we're both starving. Went online, had a quick look, and she's found a papaya salad restaurant that's got some great reviews. So I couldn't tell you whereabouts in Hua Hin I am because I don't know Hua Hin at all. So we're going to go in here and check out this little restaurant. I shall come back to you in a second. Okay, so we've just grabbed a table. I've tried to move away as far as I can from the radio because I've got a radio on. I have no idea what's on the menu. We're going to have a quick look, get some drinks, going to get some food. Then we're going to start and explore Hua Hin. We've got to find a hotel for the night as well. We've got to check out Agoda, which is what I normally use. We're going to have a look on there while we're having some lunch, and then once we've had some lunch we'll go down into the main part of Hua Hin, have a look at the beach area and the touristy area, so to speak, and go from there. So I'll be back to you shortly. Let us have a quick look at the menu. There's Nat there. Going to have a quick look. And
do you want to have what fruit?
yeah, I'll have a fruit shake. So
Yeah. These are watermelon.
Okay.
Pineapple.
Yeah, I'll have a pineapple actually.
Orange.
I'll have a pineapple. I'll have a pineapple shake, and then what we got? Papaya salad.
เอาสับปะรดปั่นหนึ่ง
we
แตงโมปั่นหนึ่ง
Menu there. I'm gonna have a quick look through there. I think I'm gonna have papaya with some barbecue chicken on it. Are you having that?
Huh?
Are you having?
I don't know what you want.
Okay, be back to you shortly. Okay, I'm going to let Nat tell you the name of the restaurant because I can't pronounce it. Nat, what's the name of the restaurant?
ป้าบุญช่วย
Okay, there you go. So look it up if you're here. I'm going to let you know what the food's like. The prices are good, not expensive at all by the looks of it. So I'm seeing sticky rice for me, please. I'll have sticky rice. I like a little bit of sticky rice. Some water so far. Nat's ordered some water for herself with ice, 2 glasses. I'm having a pineapple shake. What are you having, Nat?
Watermelon.
Watermelon shake, okay. We've got chicken papaya on order. Also some fried pork. I'm not quite sure what Nat is ordering. What are you ordering, Nat? She don't know what she's ordered.
Minced pork.
Minced pork.
And then fried pork.
Fried pork. You having papaya or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For with egg.
Egg. Okay.
What we got today?
Okay, so with food's just started to arrive now. So what we got, Nat?
Fried pork.
Say again.
Fried pork.
Fried pork, yeah.
Very
Papaya.
much.
Papaya salad with chicken. That's me. Barbecue chicken.
And then a minced pork.
Minced
Salad
pork.
minced pork.
Well, salad minced pork, yeah.
Yeah.
And you've got
And then,
one papaya to come out.
Salad with egg.
And that's coming right now. And this one is papaya with egg. Excellent. Not bad. Not bad for a place that we've just quickly found on the internet. Absolutely loads of chickens in my papaya. Super amount of chicken, and they give you the rest of what's left over on a separate plate. So plenty of chicken, plenty of pork, and I've got to say it is absolutely superb. Okay, well there you go. We've almost finished it and I am absolutely stuffed, and the bill came to 440 baht for all that, including the 2 shakes. So I think that is absolutely excellent value. Just a little bit of chicken, I can't eat anymore, I'm just so full, and a bit of sticky rice left. Right, now what we've done, we've been online, we've had a quick look on Agoda, found a couple of hotels that we like. Nat has found the one hotel up, and there's not much difference between the Agoda price and the walk-in price. It's something like about 20 baht difference. So we're going to go there now and check out the hotel, and if we like what we see, we're going to book in there and stay there tonight. So I will catch you in a few moments once we arrive at the hotel. Here he comes, Mr. Train, Hua Hin. There we go. Okay, so we've just arrived at the hotel. We just had a quick look on Agoda, then found the hotel up to see what the difference was, and it wasn't a lot of difference. So we've just turned up, checked in, we've paid 700 baht for the night. This is the place, and it's called the B2. Never stayed here before, and we're going to go and check out what the room's like. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's got the card there. There is the key card, and we're going to go and check it out and see what it's like. Come on, sweetheart, let's go and unload our bags, and then we shall go and have a wander around Hua Hin. So there's reception just there. We've just checked in. We've got some elevators, and okay, after you. Floor 6. So this hotel has got some really good reviews online, that's why we picked it. There's quite a few to choose from. Hotels starting from 354 baht, believe it or not, here. Obviously you do have some extra charges when you go through on Agoda. Agoda's the one that I tend to use. A lot of people use bookings.com. They're very, very similar. I've not had any problems with Agoda. I know some people have. But as I say, it's worth sometimes just phoning the hotel and stays as a walk-in customer. Where are we going, Nat? Where the room is. So, oh, there we go, straight to it. Okay. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the room. Okay. First impressions look good. Let's put the lights on. Stick the key card in there now, please. Thank you very much. Okay, so bathroom off to the right. Nice vanity mirror there. Sink, wash basin area. We've got WC standard toilets and towels up there, and a reasonably sized shower area with a separate thing. A little bit of black that I can see along there, but apart from that, it looks clean and tidy. Thing broke off there. We've got a mini fridge, and then double bed, a little seating area over there.
You have this?
Oh, okay. Is there a safe? Yes, there is. Okay, so we've got a wardrobe there, hang your clothes up, and a safe in the room. That's always good. TV, there's air conditioning, of course, on the wall, and I guess a small, I don't know what that is. So I wouldn't say it's a balcony, but the air conditioning unit's there, but that's okay. We're only here for one night. And then the view that we've got out of this window, I'll just quickly show you. So it's just a city view, really. Not much to look at, but it's okay. As I say, for 700 baht for one night, it will do. It's not too bad. So what we're going to do now is we're going to unpack, get all the rest of the stuff out of the car, get sorted out, and then once we've done that, we will go and take a look around Hua Hin.